ICT in JNV Shimla is not just teaching the content through PowerPoint presentation. It's a two-way process. It's engaging and involving our students into uh, using the ICT tools and to inculcate various 21st century skills in them.
Hello, myself Anchal Damset. In our ICT class, we have learned about Wakelet. Wakelet is a wonderful platform where we curate and organize content. Further, it helps us in inculcating many skills like communication skills, collaboration, and creativity.
Hello, myself Gaurav Ranta. In our ICT classes, we learned about Python programming, which we use to create different programs for solving many problems. Python is one of the best programming language in the world. Python is a wonderful platform for expressing our thoughts and ideas in form of codes. I am very thankful to JNU Shimla for providing me such a great opportunity to learn this language. Thank you.
Hello, myself Akansha. In our ICT class, we learned about Adobe Spark, which I use to create catchy posters to communicate my ideas to the world.
In our ICT classes, we try to involve students to use various innovative tools to improve the whole teaching learning process so that they may use and create something through ICT.
Hello, myself Vishakha Sharma. In our ICT class, we have learned about Flipgrid. It's an amazing platform to interact with the people all around the world, through which we aware them about cyber crimes and security issues by sharing our video contents. Thank you.
Hello, myself Shruti. In our ICT classes, we learned about FreeMind. It is a mind mapping application in which we create mind maps for different chapters, which help us to visualize and memorize the whole chapter in one go. Thank you.
Hello, myself Divya Thakur. In our ICT classes, we interacted with Kata Connectors from UK. They provided us necessary career guidance for a bright future. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Nipakshi of class 12 studying in the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Thok, Shimla. I want to make you aware of Flipgrid, which is an amazing platform to excel our speaking and creative skills. On this platform, we have worked by making short videos on the topic cyber security and cyber awareness to make people aware about the cyber world and the pros and cons related to it. Actually, I feel like it is an incredible ICT tool to develop our soft skills like critical thinking, communication, and creativity.
JNV Shimla has collaboration with Spoken Tutorial Project IIT Bombay to use and advocate free and open source software. In addition to that, we have collaboration with other IT giants like Adobe, Microsoft, as well as Wakelet, Flipgrid, many innovative tools in order to apply them in the teaching learning process to improve overall productivity.